Areas Stravante Bryant. 2 will be 716-3361.
President Boyd.
Michael Carvin, 3734 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Your name?
That area is
President Boyd.
What, are you bringing your kid to court because you know you're gonna go to jail?
No, Your Honor.
Don't play games with me.
I'm not playing any.
Don't play games with me. I don't want people playing games with me.
I don't play any type of.
Listen, you better call somebody and have them come and get that child. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, and then we're gonna call the case. What I'm gonna do, I'm not quite sure, but I've seen this little trick before. I mean, I didn't just get here 2 months ago, okay? We'll call somebody to get the child. I'll call a case when we're ready. And I'm telling you, if you leave, you're gonna have a big problem with me. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Buckle up, guys. Today we're going to witness a courtroom moment that starts off on a tense note. The defendant walks in with a child, clearly hoping it will sway the judge. But the judge isn't having it. He cuts right through the tactic, calling it a trick he's seen before. The warning is sharp. Call someone to pick up that child or face bigger consequences. Right from the start, the judge sets the tone, strict, no nonsense, and unwilling to play games.
Tyarius Stravante Bryant. 247163361. Are you guys hearing this case, victims? No?
No, they're not.
All right, Mr. Kerman, your name?
Michael A. Carvin, 373824 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Bryant, come on to the podium, state your name. According to you, I want to ask again. Let's just double check it, Mr. Timberly Dennis, Durley, Margarita Bruno Hayward, Joseph Matthews, are any of those individuals, bring Mr. Mohammed.
Yes.
Any of those individuals in here today? All right, it does not appear as though they're on Zoom. They did not step forward on the case when called. Mr. Carmen, why don't you and your client approach the podium, please, and then tell me whether or not there's any material additions, corrections, or deletions.
Your Honor, as far as his employment status, he, since January of 2024, has been working at Cosmic Comics, both in Livonia and Fraser. Both locations earned $340 a week. He'll lose that job if he has to go to jail. He has been living in Romulus with his girlfriend. They've been together since 2019. They have 2 children together, ages 1 and 7 months. He just made arrangements for her to pick up the 7-month-old. He's not been incarcerated in several years. He does have a pending matter in Wayne County that's set for sentencing next Monday.
Mr. Mohammed, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the people.
You wrote down full restitution on this. I just want you to be aware, this is the B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more. I just want you to be aware that none of the victims are here. But less than 200, I'm sorry. He pled the count. Count 2 was dismissed. He pled. Lisa, just confirm that my understanding is correct. It looks like he pled guilty to count 1, which is the 1 year, and count 2 was dismissed. Is that true?
That's correct.
So I just want you to be aware of that.
And Judge, I apologize. Which case is this?
This is Triarius Stravante Bryant. It's a B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more, but less than 1,000. It's a 1 year. So I just want you to be aware I called the names. You're not here. You just put down PSI full restitution, and none of them show. So I'm not going to order any restitution out of this thing.
And Judge, may I ask, does the court send notices to them or?
Yeah, we did send those.
Okay.
The probation department did when I ordered the pre-sentence report.
So,
Okay.
I understand, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Carmen?
Yeah, since, my client, shares, the care and custody of 2 young children, with his girlfriend that he lives with. If he's gotta go to jail, it's gonna be very hard on our young family.
All right, guys, here we see the defense trying to soften the blow. They paint a picture of a struggling man employed at a comic store, supporting a young family, and about to lose everything if he goes to jail. It's a plea for sympathy, highlighting his role as a father and provider. But while these details tug at emotions, the tension is clear. Behind the personal struggles lies a defendant facing a serious record. The court listens, but the air remains heavy.
You should think about these things before we go out and steal. I mean, seriously.
I understand, Your Honor.
I don't know if you do or not. I find it a little hard to believe. I mean, you could sit and give me lip service, but you had a R&C motor vehicle in 2021, you had a domestic, where you didn't comply with probation in 22. Conviction was entered on that. You had a retail fraud in 23, were just convicted of felony retail theft in Illinois. We have another case you're bound over to the 33rd, bound over from here, stealing or retaining without consent a financial transaction device. If that's the case he's going to be sentenced on?
Yes, Your Honor, and, there's a sentencing agreement in that case of 2 years probation.
I mean, that's great.
Letting just inform the court.
No, I get it. I'm just telling you, he's got bench warrants out of the 34th for assault and battery. Bench warrant out of the 52nd for retail fraud 3. A bench warrant for retail fraud 3 out of Southgate. Retail fraud bench warrant out of the 16th. You all got any of those?
Yes, Your Honor.
When?
I've been taking care of the warrants since I've been out, Your Honor, and
Lisa, can you run his lane again for me, please? This lane
Sure.
is a few days old. Let me just double check.
And my client indicated he's contacted those courts.
You contact.
yes, Your
What
Honor.
do you mean?
I contacted those courts and they told me that I have to turn myself in and see it.
Well, you haven't taken care of the warrants then, have you?
No, I have been taking care of some of the warrants, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I have been taking care of them.
I don't know. Just check with her and see. Now you're breaking into cars. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. You've been unemployed and then you were working at Fast Splash Car Wash. You collected money on a bridge card. You need to go back and get a GED or a diploma. You need to work harder. I don't know why you're not working. You need to work. That's your decision though. But to go out and support a family by feeding all the time is not the answer.
Your Honor, he is working, and I updated the court on that.
I know you did, but still, this report was just done, right? This report was just, let me just double check this. I ordered the pre-sentence report on March 25th. I'm just telling you that they reported then that he was unemployed for the past 8 months. Why were you unemployed for the 8 months preceding that report?
I wasn't unemployed, Your Honor. I was just helping my baby mother going through the postpartum and dealing with the kids. I was still working,
Well, you told them you were unemployed. Reports being unemployed for the past 8 months.
and I don't know why I put that, and I shouldn't have put that. I've been working since January of 2024.
All right. Lisa, you don't see any of those other warrants. I think you just answered my question. You don't see any other warrants cleared out of the locations I just mentioned, right?
I'm just running it right now. Give me 1 second.
Sure, take your time.
No, I don't see any other warrants.
You don't see what?
I don't see any other warrants.
Well, I'm just saying, see the lien in here, but probation reported open warrants issued to the 37th District Court, 16th, the 28th, the 34th, and the 52-3 District Court. Do you see any of those warrants on his lien now?
No, I just ran it and I do not see any warrants.
Good. All right, well, anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor.
He did not spend any time in jail on this, correct?
No.
Where's the child now?
She's going around.
I'm sorry,
She's going around.
was the mother of the child here?
No, she wasn't here. Someone else came and picked her up.
It's supposed to mean like he become a professional thief. 200 fines, 400 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 7.25, and 40 days jail. You'll serve 325 more if you don't pay your fines and costs. I'll let you pay those at the rate of $75 per month. And I will let that start beginning on June the 15th. If you don't have the money at any point, you call the court. I'll be happy to give you an extension. You have 21 days to hand it over.
Really turn. The prosecutor lays out the reality of this defendant's past, and it's not pretty. From stolen property to dismissed counts, the criminal history starts stacking up like bricks on a wall. Each charge reminds the court this isn't just a one-time mistake, it's a pattern. The atmosphere changes as the narrative of a struggling family man collides with the hard truth of repeated theft. The judge is hearing it all, and the tension rises fast.
212B7163361. Mr. Bryant, you need.
My area is Brian.
Listen. I'm not going to put up with you yelling and screaming back there anymore. If I have to call you out here again, I'm going to give you 30 days for contempt on top of the time that I just gave you. 30. You don't get to act like that. I hope you clearly and fully understand me. If you don't, I'm going to have you out because I would hear you again. And then I'm going to lock you up for 30 days. And we're going to do this all day long. You're not going to make a scene here in the courtroom. That sentencing, if anything, was too light. I'm not playing with you,
How is it too late?
Mr.
I have a judge that I gotta go to felony court. This is district court. I got sentencing on felony court.
Knock it off.
Now we watch the judge step in, cutting past excuses and delivering brutal honesty. He calls out the defendant's history, the lies about unemployment, and the failure to prioritize his family. The message is clear. Working hard and staying responsible is the only way, and stealing isn't an excuse for survival. The defendant tries to push back, but the contradictions pile up. The judge's tone is sharp and unforgiving. He is drawing a line, and the courtroom feels it.
Knock it off. And go tell them. You have 5 or 6 theft offenses. You're breaking into people's cars. Just think you could make a living by being a thief?
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back. Speak up again. You're getting 30 more days. I promise you that's not a threat. It's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck.
Good. Come here. Contempt of court. Bring him up.
No, bro.
You're going to send another.
You're gonna get I got people saying, you know, I don't care. You know, ain't ready not to move. Get up. People stop for killing me. Be over. Run over flat. Flat. Run this shit off. At all. At all. So I got surgery on Monday. You got to fuck on my system. Oh my man. Stop. Move it. Fuck off me.
All right. Settle down.
You off, man.
Go down.
No, I'm gonna get taken, bro. Taste me, dude. Taste me.
We don't want it. We don't.
Taste me.
Stop resisting.
Like I got kids that I gotta raise by myself. You ain't making it ain't dying. You keep making it seem like I'm just a thief. I gotta prove that I'm gonna see what you're doing. I gotta prove it's making it worse.
Knock it off.
Hey, listen to me.
Right.
Look at this. You're making it twice as bad.
Mr. Bryant, go back in the back. I'm gonna let bygones be bygones, except for the initial jail term. One more word, and I'm telling you, you're doing 30 more days.
How many days?
Enough. Enough. Just control yourself. Stop stealing.
At this point, the focus shifts to warrants hanging over the defendant's head. The judge challenges him directly, listing unresolved issues from multiple courts. Probation double-checks the records, and the tension is thick. Will more charges surface right here? When the confirmation comes back clean, the judge eases slightly, but the unease remains. This moment feels like the calm before the storm, as sentencing is about to hit and the defendant's fate hangs in the balance.
Bro. Go inside, go to the other side. It's real good fathers out here, in real life, bro. And y'all just be locking the fuck up for no reason, bro. I never understood that, bro. But a woman can do anything, bro. Don't let her go. She be good. A woman be good, bro. A woman be good, bro.
What do you know?
I had to talk to you, bro.
What do you know?